Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Grace and we're doing the twin telepathy slime challenge. And I'm really scared because she's younger than me, so I've got to mind first. Wow. Okay. Okay, so
The first
you can start.
is glitter, isn't it?
No, the first one's glue. Okay, don't let I can see you.
Go like.
Just don't look.
You got to bring this more over.
That's it.
There we are. Okay, I can't see your glues.
I'm going to choose this one.
I don't know. Because I want this. But I think she's chose this and this, but I want this too. I don't know. Oh, you have to choose one. This.
3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, I'm dumping it. What will happen to this white glue because it might dry?
Oh yeah.
Don't matter.
We could use it.
Or-
We could use it at the end.
Okay, it's going in. I like using this. There's a lot of clear glue.
Oh, it smells nice.
You got
the
one. Oh yeah, it does look nice.
Maybe at the end we can do a quick
Go
round.
on.
Maybe at the end we could use the rest of the activator.
Yeah, okay, I'm done. I'm done with my clear glue. So, on to the next round. I just need to take these out of the way. I will be back in a second. I'm just going to put them over here, Grace. Put your things over there when you've done. Now, time for the next round. Look at this clear glue. So pretty.
I'm going to be back in a sec.
Okay.
It's this one and this one, isn't it?
Huh? Yeah. Come on. I'm so weird. Okay. Okay, so the next round is red and blue glitter, I think. So we've got some red glitter in here and some blue glitter in here.
Red glitter. Blue glitter.
Okay, I didn't show them mine, but anyway, it's true. Believe me. It's my turn.
Yeah.
It's my turn to go first.
Okay.
And you cannot look in there.
I'll look in there.
Okay, I'm gonna pick. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna do my
This is hard.
Ooh, they're both really good colours.
I'm going to choose this one. 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
We both got one.
I actually didn't know you. I don't know you.
I know you.
I don't know you. But
Oh, mine's coming in.
I'm gonna like scrape some because this.
Oh, mine's
coming out.
Mine's good.
There we are. Mine's good. Now then, you stay there, Grace. Well, ooh, there's
I know.
glitter stuck.
Okay, mine.
Okay.
Oh,
Peach
yeah.
and blue. Sauce peeps. Hey, that was just so weird.
We're on the next round. And that
My
is...
slide's more, the glitter's more spreaded in mine. Okay, the next round is, I think, shaving foam and
No.
gold.
The other one.
Oh, no.
Okay, the
I'm
next
going
round is
bonkers.
silver glitter and
Gold glitter. So this one in mine is gold, and this one in mine is silver. Oh,
This
gosh,
one in
it's
mine
my
is
turn to
glitter.
mine. My
That
turn
one's
to
gold,
mine.
this one's silver.
Yeah, it's my turn to mine read. I'm just pulling this a bit. I'm
Okay.
going to tuck my chair in somehow.
Okay. Don't look.
There we are.
Don't look. Okay, look away. I'm going to choose this one.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Silver and gold. Silver and gold. What goes with red? I want to choose that one because she said she liked that one, but then she might be tricking me and having that one. I want that one and that one. I'm gonna pick. I might get it wrong. I definitely am gonna get it wrong, but don't look. I'm gonna pick this one. 3, 2,
One.
Okay. What did you? Yes, I got gold.
Gold.
I got gold. We actually might get the same slime.
Yeah. You already got the same. Oh, I wish I went for white glue now.
Me too.
Can I actually keep this?
Yeah, you can keep it.
I've never made real slime.
Ooh, this is so hot. I want the bowl. Give me a bowl. Give me a bowl.
The next one is.
Next one is shaving foam. We don't have two bottles of shaving. Hang on, we put it in the middle. We don't have two bottles of shaving foam. So, like, if we choose shaving foam, we've got to like. But if we show it, we've got to like hold
show this, and then we have to put it back where it is, and then when they come back, you have to like.
Or if
just
we like
go like that,
go like that, and then
and
like
then
pretend, and then we'll know. And we've also got in this round some foam balls, and they're glittery. They've got white glitter.
I know what I'm going for.
I don't know because I want them. But
Okay, I'm gonna look away. It's your turn.
Is it?
Okay, it's my turn to go last time.
I want both, but literally,
I
don't know. Because I want these foam balls, but then I want shaving foam.
I'm not. I'm not going for that.
I'm gonna choose.
I'm looking over there.
I don't know. I wanna choose.
You're gonna have to decide quickly.
Okay, I'm gonna choose. Don't look. Don't look. Okay, I'm done.
No, don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Okay, I'm not.
Chose?
Yeah.
2, 1.
Yes, they're not the same.
At least they're not. I didn't want shaving foam because lid's on the floor. I didn't want shaving foam because it's got clear glue and it won't be clear anymore. So I chose foam balls.
But it'll still be clear glue. It'll still be clear slime.
No, it won't because the shaving foam is white. Gotta shave it. Shave
I
it
did.
properly.
Oh!
Okay, can I have your shaving foam and balls, please?
Well, after
Then we'll show the slimes like. Is it nearly gone, do you think? Okay. Oh! Okay.
I'm ready to.
That's enough, isn't it?
I like it. Nearly done.
That's enough. Okay then, I'm going to come up and show you my slime. So, this is my slime. So it's got clear glue at the bottom. Cannot see my face. I can't reach. But I'm just going to see my hand. You're just going to see my hands in my slime. So it's got clear glue, then gold and red glitter, and then it's got foam balls on the top.
And this is what mine looks like. So mine's got gold glitter, clear glue, and red glitter. And mine's got shaving foam.
So ours is going to be quite different.
Because I'm making fluffy slime and she's making
I'm not.
crunchy slime.
Crunchy. Okay, I'm trying for
The next round is
food
colouring.
Is that all we've got?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then
Well, we've both got the same.
We've both got activator, but they're the same. So we're just going to like
Yeah.
take the board and put it.
Yeah.
Okay.
This side. Okay, we
You
both
turned
have
them
got.
on.
What?
The lights. Okay, there we are. Okay, and it's
My turn to choose.
man. I want both.
Okay, we've got yellow and orange.
Yeah. So this one, that one's orange, and this one's yellow.
Orange.
Yellow. Okay.
Okay.
Done. Can I look?
And then I'm going to go straight in because you can't see.
Done. Yeah. Done.
No.
No. Done.
Yeah.
Done. Yeah. Oh God, yours is still there.
I moved them right away.
Don't look.
I'm not.
Because I want you to like. Done. 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Yay! They're both going to be the same colour. They're just.
We're
Mine's
doing
going to
it.
be clear.
Yellow.
Yours is going to be clear. Mine's going to be white.
And
Ah,
yours is.
this is. I can't read.
Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm not adding adding a lot because mine's not really thick. There we are. That's probably enough.
Is this enough?
Yeah, oh gosh, that's
I
enough.
want it to be dark yellow.
I want it to be light yellow.
It's not yellow. Yours has already turned yellow.
I know.
I don't mind, mine will be big,
Okay.
big yellow.
Okay, okay. We need a spoon. Okay, I'm gonna get you a spoon.
Get me a spoon too.
Ooh, you don't know where the spoons are, so.
Yeah, that's right.
This is my first time actually in
Take a
house.
spoon. Okay, we're not ready yet.
We've got to take the board away. Oh, okay. If you'd like. But you're gonna knock the slime ingredient.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's no activate.
I'll mix it first.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this feels so. Oh, look at mine.
Look at mine.
That looks so good. I made a slime like that, so I didn't really want it. But that looks good. But really, look at mine. It's like
Yeah,
clear
more
mustard.
We like
Yeah, you're allowed to add more ingredients than what you've put in. This looks so good.
Okay, I'm putting more yellow in it because that's not the yellow that I wanted.
If you add too much yellow, it'll be orange. This is so pretty.
Oh, I think this is nearly the right colour.
That's like mustard.
That's one.
With glitter in it.
This is with chunky glitter.
Okay, wee.
Okay, that's enough.
Look at my slime.
Oh, look at it now.
Sorry, we're really far away from you. Couldn't find a better position.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to add.
I'm ready to activate. I've been ready for ages, but I just wanted to mix it.
Okay.
I'm making the lid. Oh, a lid full.
I've only done half a lid.
I'm doing the full lid.
Because it says on the instructions to add it slowly.
Yeah, but you are supposed to add all of
I
it.
don't know if mine's going
You're
to.
supposed to add all of this in, by the way.
But yeah.
Yeah, but add it in slowly. When I did it with Sophie, she just literally tipped it in. Mine's forming!
Mine's
Formation!
Look at mine.
That's good. Probably because mine's clear and yours isn't. Like shaving cream takes a long time. I've got it on me. Oh, that feels so cold. No, look at that.
I don't think this is going to be enough activator. If you have any spare,
Oh yeah, you've had shaving foam, so I don't know.
it's coming.
You're gonna have to use my activator. I'm not pointing at you. You're not activator, if you're wondering. Might be. Might be a bottle of activator sitting here, watching it with you.
If you have bottle of activator.
If you make slime, if you love slime, probably you do like slime because you're watching the slime video now. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm going bonkers.
Oh, Annabelle, look, mine's got to get it together.
Oh yeah, yours is getting together.
Is yours getting together?
Yeah, mine is.
Oh, yours is. Mine. I feel like mine's.
I love the foam balls in mine.
I'm glad.
No, the only thing we got wrong in this was the shaving foam and foam balls.
Yeah, we got everything right except that.
Jingle.
Oh, wow, they look really similar.
Yeah,
Mine's got
because
shaving
we did
foam.
everything the same except she added shaving foam and I added foam balls.
Oh, look at that now.
Grace, you don't have your dad's phone number, do you?
No, I only have one.
Smile. No.
It's so weird.
Oh, look at this. Whee!
Hang on, I need another one. No, I didn't get a good one. Smile, Anna. And Grace.
Hopefully that one will go. Yeah. Mine needs a lot more activity.
Me too. I only got a little bit left.
I haven't nearly added even a quarter of the
Tried to
bottle.
call you and Mum's house. Your dad's come half an hour later, but she's not answering, so.
Oh yeah, could you come 2 hours later?
Pardon?
Could you keep
Oh, look what's happened.
later?
What?
Oh. Oh, that's probably decide when it's forming. Mine's going red.
Mine's too.
Mine's going orange.
I know, look, like what it did with Sophie.
It was gold.
Yeah, mine looks.
Oh, look, mine's so fluffy.
Spoiled honey.
Looks nice.
That's good.
Mine's really sticky at the moment. I might have to use the other one, Annabelle. I might have to use the other one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look.
Yeah, that's fine.
Mine's turning orange.
I didn't know no, look how full that is.
Oh, mine's nearly done. I'm nearly mixing with my hands.
I'm nearly going to mix with my hands, but it probably needs.
Oh, mine's good.
Is
So I'm
it?
going to mix it a bit more.
I'm going to mix in the activator a bit more too.
Oh, look.
Mine's forming.
Mine's forming a lot. Look.
Yeah, mine's forming a lot.
Mine's not. Mine's almost not sticking to the walls.
It's actually red, like it did with Sophie.
Mine's turning a bit red. I think it's because of the activator.
Yeah, probably. Anyway, I like it. It's pretty.
It's not pretty. Mine's
Yeah,
getting
yours
really
is gold.
tough.
Yours is gold.
Oh, mine's. Oh, look at mine. Mine's going to be stretchy. Oh, look at it.
Oh,
Oh gosh,
that needs a lot more activator.
But it's because you need to play with it.
Yeah, you need it.
I hope this is good.
Me too.
So put a lot of effort into it.
I haven't made overactivated slimes like in my life. Yeah. I haven't made.
Oh, look.
Oh, that's so good. I haven't made overactivated slimes like in my life, but like some of them are like kind of overactivated, but they've dried out. So everyone thinks they're overactivated, but they're not.
Yeah. When I started playing with her slimes.
You're like, hey, this doesn't stretch. I was like, it dried out.
Ooh. Okay, I've used all my activator.
Have you?
Yeah. Look at the bottom.
This is
I
funny.
just hope I don't
might go in with
have
my
a-
hands in a bit.
Me.
I'm gonna like just poke it for a bit because I might have chose the wrong. Like I might choose the wrong decision. So then I might.
But I'm
go back
allowed to
to
put more
stir.
activator in it. Mine's.
Oh, listen how crunchy mine is.
Oh yeah. Oh, my hands are sticky.
Oh, mine's is gonna be
I'm gonna go wash
crunchy.
my hands.
Okay. You will hear the tap in a bit. I'm going to the nearest one. There it is. The tap.
I'm gonna get the other. Annabelle.
Yeah.
I do dry hands.
On that
This
T
one.
thingy, the jiggy.
This
Yeah. That's where I was.
This is my first.
Mine's really good.
I wish I could buy one. I could if I could.
Oh, do you want scent into it?
What?
Scent.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm good. You like I'll stay there. 'Cause
Yeah. Well, I need to get the other. I need to get the other.
Okay, you can't add a lot in because it's not really got that much.
Because look, I'm.
Well, it hasn't got that much in, so you need to. It smells of
Oh,
lemons.
look how much I've got. Look how much slime I've got.
It smells of lemons.
Because I added shaving foam.
Oh, my hands are greasy.
Does this actually
Hey,
work?
could you open this while you're walking past?
I'm using the other activator because I haven't got enough. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, mine's going good.
Okay.
I hope I don't.
I'm just gonna add like a drop in.
Can I have some?
That. Yeah, don't add a lot in. This is not that much.
Your mum said she'll text you down, Grace.
Mix that in. Oh, this is forming. Formed ages
Oh,
ago.
look. I think I'm probably going to overactivate this. I feel like.
Smell your slime. Have you added it?
Oh, it smells like lemon.
Oh, that's so strong. Even though
You
I
guys
added
finish your squash upstairs or not?
we didn't have a sip of it.
I'll finish it.
I'll
Yeah.
go and get it.
Mine's like.
Oh,
Oh, look at the colour of mine.
Oh, look at mine.
Oh, that That's so
sticky.
pretty.
Mine's a bit sticky.
No, look at that. Look at that. That is so
Oh,
cool.
it's beautiful.
And it's
They're
clear
very
as well.
glazed. Very nice.
Oh look, that's why I'm going in with my hands. Oh,
Mine's
look
a
how
bit
much slime
too
I've got. I'm gonna add all the activator and then go in with my hands.
Look, I added all mine in.
I'm not using the lid anymore.
Oh look, I wasn't with this one. I'm sorry if I get your bottle dirty.
No. It's dirty already.
Oh look at this. Can we both try each other's when they're both done?
Yeah.
I just hope I don't overactivate
I
this.
think I'm ready to go in with my hands.
Oh.
I'll put
Oh,
those back.
yeah.
Just better move it.
This isn't sticky, look, Grace.
Oh, yours isn't sticky. There's loads of activation at the bottom.
Is it?
Yeah.
Weird. I'm sure you mixed it in though, didn't you?
Kind of.
Well, this is actually quite
Look,
sticky.
Annabelle.
Took the wrong decision. I said I was going to poke it, but I forgot.
I hope this is clicky.
Oh yeah, clicky slime's the best.
I
actually didn't use
I forgot to take my bubble off my hand.
Oh, well you can't take it off now.
I'm gonna.
Okay.
Mine?
Don't put the chocolate one too close to the radiator.
Stop shouting.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh.
Oh, look at my slime.
This is like actually fluffy slime, even though I didn't add.
That's just a bit of my slime.
If you're talking to me, if you say about nice,
This is a bit sticky, but I mean, sticky
mine's-
slime's good. I suppose.
Kind of. Mine's getting better.
Yeah,
I'm trying to get it off so I can get my bubble off my hand.
Silly Grace.
Because I forgot to take it off before we made the video. Okay, I'm just going to be quick. There you go. It's off. It's off. Yay. And then I'm more activator.
I've just added some, and it's like
I've had that bubble on since school.
the start. So
No,
I've had
the end. Since when we took our hair down.
Oh yeah.
Oh, mine's starting to get all sticky.
Mine still is sticky, but it's like not that sticky. It's not
You can
like
hear
sticky.
where you are.
Ooh.
I know. A jingle. A jingle today.
Oh no. Ugh. Oh, mine's still a bit sticky. But I just need to work with it.
Right, are you two ready for your dinner in a minute?
In a bit.
Yeah.
And nearly, if we make this quick.
Because mine.
Okay, I'm getting mine out the bowl. Actually, in a bit.
Yeah.
Hey, some of the balls are yellow. Look.
Yeah. Look at mine.
Look at mine.
Oh, mine's nearly not sticky.
Mine just needs a little bit more activated. I probably already did
Annabelle.
quarters. Yeah? Oh, it's clicking.
Because mine's not that sticky anymore.
Yeah, all I can feel now is just sogginess and wet. Still gotta mix it
Oh,
in.
no, Annabelle, look. Hey! Oh my god.
Mine's clicking, Grace. Oh. I mean, it's a bit.
Oh, look, I can get off my hand now.
Yeah.
I think mine's got a bit too slime in it. A bit too much. I made a lot.
I've not got that much.
She pops to put them in.
Mine's coming
Because
out.
I had
It's
shaving
coming
foam,
out.
it made it bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, did you put shaving foam, Annabelle?
No.
You usually like to put shaving foam.
Yeah, I was gonna have a change.
Oh, yeah.
And it was Grace's turn to mine, and then she got it. I got everything right on you.
Yeah.
You got
except-
one thing wrong.
Oh, this slime will be good for
Parties.
no, this slime will be good for the
Oh,
this-
oh God, it's sticky.
it's gold, Annabelle. It's turned gold.
Oh yeah.
This is my first ever good big slime.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I don't remember.
This feels so weird. Like,
Annabelle, I don't think I'm going to be able to get mine back off.
what do you mean?
Off this.
Yours is jiggly.
No, it's because I'm poking it.
Mine's not jiggly. Mine's not clicky just yet.
I'm adding a bit more.
Oh,
Activate. Oh, no.
For some reason, my slime's clicky when it's wet. Like the activator. Like when it's got activator and it clicks. I want to crunch it, but I can't.
What? Do what?
I want to crunch it, but
That's good. Annabelle. Oh,
okay.
Oh no.
Oh, this is pretty. Oh,
It's a bit riffy.
this is so.
I'm not going to add any more
Can you
activator
see
in.
that?
I just need to mix it. now.
Kinda looks like sick. I've made one which looks like sick completely.
Does this one look like sick? No, this looks
No,
like
it had like. Oh, look at that swirl. It's so pretty.
This is so good. I'm going to add a little bit more in. A little bit more actually.
Right, girls.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Mine's better. I feel like.
Oh!
I know that's.
No, wait.
No.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no. Daddy,
Yes, sweetheart.
the
Scent is fell
Scent.
over.
The what, sorry?
scent's
Scent.
gone, and that's the last.
The what's gone? Scent.
This.
Ah.
Yeah, no, oh my god, no, it's not gone.
Oh, my
It's on
God.
the table.
I have no idea what you're talking
It's on the table.
Okay.
It's.
I'm just getting something
Don't
out of the
use the
drawer.
last
Give
of
me a
it,
second.
Grace.
No, you didn't. I was only using a bit. Mine doesn't smell that nice.
Mine smells good.
Mine smells a bit good. I think I know
I'm doing
it.
Christmas tree lights.
Look at that, Grace.
Oh, Annabelle. Oh no. Scent is making it sticky.
Oh no. Look, please no.
Oh, you've had a spillage.
Of scent.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh,
Mixing some
Yeah.
scent in it.
that's just, that is horrible.
Oh, don't give me all of
Go
that.
and wipe it up.
Okay, could you? That happens.
I'll move that.
Let's move everything.
Move
Like
all
even the
that.
activator.
Go.
Sorry about this. We're not really talking to you. I'm just had a spinach.
Oh, scent. Nearly again.
Video gone wrong.
And
We're obviously still going to upload it because, you're watching.
Okay. Oh, look at my slime.
Hang on. Oh, dip it in some scent. Like, dip it in the extracts of scent.
Oh no. Mine's so fluffy.
Oh, mine smells like lemon.
Yeah, look at that. Mine smells
Okay.
like double lemon.
Hang on. Have you got,
Oh, yours is really small. Oh no.
It's okay.
Look at mine. Oh, yours is more stretchy than mine. Do you have
Wait,
lotion?
do you want to swap slimes now? Like,
Yeah,
not
come
like,
But don't wreck it. Don't put anything in it. Let me
Yeah.
just put a little bit more.
don't put anything in this either.
Yeah,
please.
we won't. Because if you don't, I won't.
Yeah.
I just hope this doesn't overactivate it.
Okay then.
I've
Swappies.
This is my first ever making slime with my
So
friends.
it's good.
Oh no, please no.
Mine's good.
Is this making this better? I don't know. Oh look, okay. I think that's cute. I'm just gonna.
Okay. Do you want to
Be quiet.
feel my? Oh, I think yours is clickier than mine. Hang on. I'm gonna try now. Okay. Do you want to feel mine and I'll feel yours?
Oh, mine's bouncy.
Jiggly. That's what I mean. Do you want to feel my
Oh,
slime?
Yeah. Okay, swap slimes. Swap these.
Swapsies for a bit.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my gosh, this slime's so warm.
I know, so.
Oh, this one's cooking.
When did you go to be in them then? Today?
Oh, they're not hard.
Okay.
Oh, this is.
I like the feel of this and the clickiness, but I do actually like the colour of that. And the
It looks like sick to me.
which one?
This one.
Oh my gosh, this is really fluffy, like drops.
I know, do you think I should?
Yours is good at swells.
I'm going to test yours at swells.
It's good, it's good, it's
Oh,
good.
yours is turned pink and it was yellow.
I did yellow, then it turned orange, then it turned red, then it turned orange, now it's turning pink. What's the matter?
This is a good slime swirl.
This is good. This is good slime.
Look at that slime swirl.
Oh, that's so cute. I'm going to give you a slime swirl with this.
Oh, you've made mine a legend.
What?
Your hands.
What do you mean?
So you can make the best. The
Okay,
best
there's my
slimes.
swirl. No, mine's going to make the best because yours is more fluffy.
Well, look at whoever can make the best slime swirl with the other person's slime. This is my slime swirl.
It's crushed.
Yours is.
Okay, now
Mine
mine.
is rippy.
No, it's not. Yeah, because you're going like this. Okay, and then this is
I feel like
my
I'm wrecking
slime
this
swirl.
one.
I just wrecked it.
Okay.
Okay, swap now. Please don't wreck it.
Oh no.
See, it's stretching.
Do you have to do it slow?
Yeah. See?
I'll never be able to do that. Annabelle.
Hang on. Wait. I think this slime does the best slime swirls. Look. There it is. Of course. Oh,
No,
mine's
this
so
one.
crunchy.
A couple. Should we try and do
What?
slime bubbles? Should we clear it? Then do slime bubbles?
yeah. Okay. We're just gonna try and clear.
No, Annabelle, we have to put it in the tins.
Ooh, this.
No,
No,
Mum. No, your mum said.
I know, but not just yet because we're not finished. Sorry. Drink.
Okay, let's still look. We can make like one more slime with that PVA.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave these. Okay, that's enough. But for my side. Okay.
There's your.
I don't think mine's good at slime bubbles.
I think mine will be. It's always fluffy, good at slime. Shall I add a bit more for it? Shall I add both? I really want to.
Hold on, getting all the lemon scent on me and then mixing it in.
I can't
Because I
really
want this to smell really good of lemons.
Okay, this is my slime.
Doesn't smell that much of lemons, this.
Okay, I'm just going to move it
But
up
like,
there.
you can smell the glue, it smells good.
You can hear my jingle dingle.
Oh yeah, just to say we both got earrings in, if you noticed.
Matt, can you grab the rest of these things?
What about mine's going to be more
Yeah.
stretchy because I added more
Oh,
silicone. Oh no,
Okay, we're going to do the slime bubbles, then we've got to go, so soz. Because this has been going on for, gosh, 34 minutes.
no! I know, that's why we're just finishing
Okay,
it now.
I'm going to do my slime bubble.
I'm glad.
I think my slime bubble,
I
if
know.
I do make one, is going to be clear.
I know.
Cool.
This is clear. This is made out of clear glue, but got shaving foam in.
Or this is going to be good.
Annabelle!
Oh, that is so cool. Oh gosh, do you think my slime bubble's the best?
Comment down below
Comment down.
who slime
Okay.
best.
Yeah.
Hashtag Grace or hashtag Annabelle.
Wait, or we get to choose, and I'm going to say hashtag
Hashtag best friend ever.
No. Hashtag bubbly slime.
I'm
No, good at bubbles slime. Hashtag good at bubbles slime.
Oh no, I feel like no.
I'm gonna make a bubble
no,
again.
I added so too much shaving foam.
Oh,
No, it's gonna go good. It's gonna go good. It's working out. It's working out. Come on. Come on, slime, you can do it. Yay!
Oh, it's getting better.
I added loads of shaving foam.
They look great. That's really
Mine's clear.
It's still videoing.
So like
I need to know
Mine's-
you're not going to walk in if I'm undressed. Is that?
oh, this is gonna be good again. No, maybe not. Hang on. This is surely crunchy. Hang on. Oh,
I'm gonna try the slime bubble now. I'm gonna come into here.
my slime bubbles are good at this.
Yeah, your slime's good.
Hi.
Whose slime do you think is the best?
I think they're both good.
Oh wow, look at those.
No, I just made a bubble, literally.
Yeah, it
like
was
that.
really big.
No, I'm gonna try again and show you what I did.
Where's that from?
From our house room, they just brought it down.
Yeah.
I've never seen it before.
Oh my god, I bought that friend of LA just ago. It's been in the room for ages.
I've never seen it later.
Okay, hang on. Woo! That's it, Mummy. Oh, it's
Oh,
fading.
these are great now, like one of the nicest things.
They are, I know.
Okay then.
Okay, I'm nearly ready.
Okay, so
Okay, I'm just gonna do a slime bubble.
okay, Grace is gonna do a slime bubble now.
Okay, have you done it now, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm doing it now so I don't want it to get cold.
Okay, so remember. Oh, Grace is doing slime bubble. Oh, that's good. That's
I
good.
made one.
Okay, so
Make sure you wash your hands well. Oh my goodness, look at that.
I made a really big one.
Yeah, she made a
Whoops,
big one.
steady on me.
So remember to subscribe.
And hit that notification bell.
You know. Like the video and comment whose slime is the best. If you need reminding, mine's hashtag good at bubbles slime.
Mine is hashtag stretchy red slime. Stretchy gold slime.
Stretchy gold.
Hashtag stretchy red gold slime.
Okay, so if you comment, you might get a shout out. So I'd comment if I were you. And then, so
And to be the first, to get the first person to be the first comment, is to comment something nice.
okay. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the Twin Telepathy Slime Challenge. See you soon. And this is adding more shaving foam to it.
Even though it made my slime bad this time.
Yes, but
It makes it nice.
what does it? Hang on, just gonna show them.
My slime. Wait, you can't see it. Ooh, that's so stretchy and good.
No.
Ooh. This is my slime.
Oh yeah.
Okay then, so